What's up, good people? Back with another live trading. This is the Nasdaq. Looks like we're gonna open up out and out above yesterday's range. Um, so yeah, we're gonna look for longs as long as we can stay above the pre-market high. As long as we keep pushing, basically, stay above last week's high, this big level, which is also yesterday's high. We got about half a minute. Nope, we're open, and there you have it. We are open. It is the open. Instantly dipping down to the gray EMA. Falling. Boomski. We gotta see if they hold here. Pushing. Oh. Young Will touched last week's high. Young little touch. See if we can hold last week's high here. What are we trying to hold this last week's high here? They're not really letting it get above this great EMA. Below last week's high, we've got value area high right here. The close is 18025. Possible area or this pop, yesterday's pop at about 18K. Probably more like 18K if we can't hold this. Low key, if we can't hold last week's high though, it's probably just gonna be a short all day, or at least maybe the first 2 hours of the day, since it's out and out. Out and out is like a gap update, which means we may have to pull back to reset in the first couple hours if we don't just push. And usually we don't just push if there's resistance above, which we have to be basically breaking into new highs. Otherwise, there we go. Looks like there are some buyers right below this last week's high, but like I said, not many. At least not right now. Okay. Well, there were as I was saying that. Changed my mind. Let's see if they can keep up the momentum. Put some buyers. Hmm. All right, pre-market high right here. Popping it. Let's see if they can hold it. Sellers right off that pre-market high. Right into this 5-minute candle opening. Back up here at the pre-market high. Seller's still up there. Seller's trying to get 8. Seller's getting ran a little bit. Seller's still there. Yeah, seller's still up there off that pre-market high. Okay, seller's still trying to get 8. Okay. This is bullish as of right now. Nice. So we were able to hold last week's high. We have been able to push above pre-market high. Uh, the real test is that 18.1, or the next test is that 18.1. How we react after testing that. Do we pull back, and do we continue? Are there still buyers below that can keep pushing it up? Um, got all that clarity last week in the market with all the Fed speak and the earnings and the da 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 da. So we got a risk on sentiment going in the markets. Yeah, and testing this 18.1. Sellers off the 18.1 initially. Eighteen one coupled with that 123 fib up there has shown to be some resistance. Now we've got the retracement that we were expecting. And what we want to see is buyers step in somewhere around that pre-market high, above that pre-market high, maybe right below that pre-market high. I mean, we did a lot of buying off 1800 yesterday, 18,000. I mean, below and at. So we really shouldn't have to go back and test that. So we want to stay above uh, pre-market high. Definitely want to stay above the great EMA, and the line in the sand is last week's high. Doing a little bit of holding here. Don't look like we want to go retest 18.1 or try to get close to it. Maybe not retest the actual number. Maybe only get to 18.95. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. 1809. Oh, pulling back to this pre-market high level. I do want to see it dip below. I just don't want it to go too far below. 18,070 is all right. Getting a little bit of test of below this pre-market high. There we go. Would like to see some buyers come in around this level. Would like to not see sellers come in here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, buyers. Wow. Mm. Yeah, buyers. And there's no news today either. Yeah. Buyers want this one. New 15-minute candle opening in a smidgen of a moment. Yeah, I knew that word. Smidgen. Yeah. All right, new 15. 8:45 candle has begun. You know, this is the one I like to trade in. It's just inch warming up. Okay, there goes some sellers. Sellers stepped up before we got to 18.1 this time. That's something to be noted, I guess. There are sellers up here for sure. Buyers look like they're trying to make an attempt, though. Back to inch warming. Doesn't look like the buyers are strong enough here. Buyers gotta move stronger than this. Come on, somebody gotta step up. There we go. There we go. Getting a little bit. Sellers stepping right back up. Buyers look like they're trying to find their balls. Slowly trying to eat through the sellers. It's a bunch of sellers at 18.1 though. We gotta see. We gotta see if we can really get them, really chew through them. If we can get them to stop out, then we got fuel for the upside. All right, here we go. Here comes the test. Definitely still sellers up there. Getting chewed. We above 18.1, but barely. Push back down below 18.1. Above 18.1. Come on. With some force. Go. Push. There you go. Push. You need more push than that. Come on, man. Seller stepping back up. Back below 18.1. Nope, seller stepping back up. Not quite able to chew through the sellers up there above 18.1. Need a bevy of new buyers. Bevy? I don't know if that's the right word. Sometimes I use the wrong words. It is what it is. Alright, trying to make another run at this 18.1. Got a kiss there. Seller's still sitting there. And 1802, 102, 103. 105 is the number to beat. 102, 101, 103, 102, 101, 100, 102, 100, 99. Sellers are a little bit stronger here. 198, 100, 101, 98, 99, 98, 100. The high of the range keeps being pushed down, while 97 is now the lower end of the range. Yeah, seller's still around. Does look like the buyers don't want to give up. 3. 100. Back down to 100. Seller's not really letting it do its thing up here. Sellers are above 18.1. 18.105 is the number to beat for the Bulls. Really, it's 18.106. Here we go. Another try. This one's feeling short-lived. Can't even really kiss 101 no more. 95 is now the move. Yeah. Seller's still strong up there. right, new 5 minute. Seller stepping up right away. Mm. Seller's got this, it look like. Getting harder and harder for the buyers to get it above 18.1. Nobody really has the upper hand, but if I had to say who had the upper hand, I would say the sellers right now. They are just not allowing the price to get above that 18.1 to save its life. Save its life. Oof. All right, so let's try to make a run for it. As you can see, a few buyers right there off that untested mid. Look like they're trying to put that in as support. Use that as the trampoline. Okay, let's see. Another try to test 18.1. And we got the 10 o'clock candle opening up soon, which typically will bring in some volume. Maybe that's what the Bulls need. Maybe that's what the Bears need. I don't know. 18.1 kiss. We got above. We got 102, I think. 101, 102. Back down below 100. 101, 102, 99, 99, 98, 97, 96. So it was up there, man. Growing up right here. They can eat these buyers. We can get some movement, but we need to be 18, at least 105. It's just a wall of sellers up there. I think the buyers are going to chew through them. There's a little pop there. I tried it. 102, 103, 104, 105. Sellers. Sellers right off that 105. 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. 107, 108. Okay, 109. 10 o'clock candle just opened. Couple sellers. Going back to retest 100 from above. Seller stepped up right away in this 10 o'clock candle. Tested 100. See if the buyers can hold it. We are up above last week's price action, so those do have the upper hand, but we're in seller's territory. This is where they would be. So, ooh, okay, look like buyers are trying to step up off this 18-1. 8, 9, 9, 8, 1, 9, 8. 9, 9, 9, 9, 7. I gotta take a piss. Fuck, I'll be right back. Buyers still holding their own for sure. They held that 18-1. Well done. Well done, Bulls. Now we gotta get back above 18-10. I mean 110. Hello. I'm just lying with it. Back at 18-1. So we're still not giving up. Buyers trying to hold the line here at 18.1. That's all they have in them. I think 5 minute. Now, if we can get above 110, what is it? 110? It's 113 really. So we can get above 115, then I think sellers start letting up and join the winning team. Mm-mm. There we go. All right, got to pop above 115. Might get a slight pullback to 110ish. Let some of the shorts cover. Where's the volume though? Just drying up, boy. That's not what you want to see. That's not what we wanted to see up there. I would have liked to see less sellers come in off that 18, off that 115 level. Buyers have to defend this 100 again. This is boring. Where is the volume? Not getting any major stops. The Bulls have left the building, it feels, it seems. Yeah. Bulls could not forcefully stop out the shorts, those stubborn shorts. Must reset. Let's see if they can hold this 1890. I mean, 090. This 90 level. Like they did previously. It's been such a long time since we retested this level, though. It may not be that strong anymore. Oh, shit. Buyers getting pressed. Okay. Buyers holding that untested mid. Gotta get us back above 100 though. Do not want to see some sellers. Do not want to see this. I want to see sellers come in here. Do not want to see the sellers have a lot of power here. They're giving it a try. Okay, 18-1 has been touched. just keeps looking like it wants to round over. At first, it was looking like that, and then it broke above, and now it's still. This is the line in the sand right here, basically. 18087. Damn, the 10 o'clock candle didn't even really push us into new highs. There's just not enough volume today, man, to really make a dent in anything. Yep, seller's still playing off that 18-1. Looking like a reset may be in order for the Bulls. Bulls last stand. Did not want to see. Did not want to see those sellers come up so forcefully at 18-1. Boom. Okay, let's see if we can get some buyers to reset off pre-market high. There is a little confluence there. You got pre-market high, you got the great EMA. A couple few buyers off that level. Not really off the level, off like a point before the level, but similar idea. I got this 87, 890 level. Don't want to see sellers come in here now. Now that we're below it. Would like to see buyers step back up. And they close back above that mid though. See if they can keep it up. They barely got that. Barely got that close. Seller stepped right up. Last 10 minutes of the stream, last 10 minutes of this candle. Buyer stepping back up off of the level, confluent level here. You guys could have got long off there. You saw some buying come in. You can wait until we break back above 18.1. You can wait till we get break back above 18.10, 110, I mean. You want to be really, really safe. The 18.100 level is still the level where the sellers are, have been. Did they ever get wiped out? We'll find out next time on Live Trading the Nasdaq Future. Probably sound crazy thirsty, but I am, so. 18.1. Seller's still there. It's kind of the last thing you want to see right there is sellers. Again, you know? $102.75 is the level you gotta beat. 102.75. Nice. Can you continue? So step down as soon as you got up there. Ooh. And the seller steps right up. Got a little bit of a pop. Sellers is definitely, there's some like limit orders there or something. Off 105, 106. Next level to beat is 108. Still getting smacked at 105. Whack-a-mole. Poke your head above 105 and the sun's coming in with the hammer whip. On your head, cuz. Ow, that's my head. You know? Okay, well, time to draw this trend line in hopes that it gets broken, but I guess it's already kind of broken on my 5. It's not really broken because it's back below. So. Keep it cool, killer. You see him. You see him. Yeah. It's not enough buyers. Just not enough. Yeah, I'm back to retesting 90, y'all. Come on, y'all. A little bit of a buying spree. Two minutes left in this candle. Alright, guys, so you got to sit here and watch price trade between a fucking 20 point, what is this? 78, a 38 point range for an hour. Thanks for showing up, guys. Still in my trade, waiting to see which way we go. Yeah, we got 2 minutes left before I get off the stream, though. It's been real, man. It's been real boring. Let's get some coffee. Neither side really want to let the other side win. I suppose this gets resolved at some point today, but I don't have to. I don't know when. I don't have the crystal ball to tell you when or which way at this point. Looks like it might want to resolve to the upside, but it also looks like it might want to resolve to the downside. So, in conclusion, it can go up or down. It actually kind of looks like it wants to go down. See, I don't know. I don't know, guys. We're above pre-market high, though. We're above last week's high. We are at a level of resistance. But that's it for me on this stream. Just waiting to see which way this resolves. Right now, I don't have anything on the books. No losses, no wins. So I am in a trade. All right, guys. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for showing out. I've been balling up. I'm finna ball out.